Hey guys, welcome back to Furniture Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a dust cover on a sofa. Whether you call it cambric, dust cover, black bottom, I'm going to show you how to put it on nice and tight. Let's get to it. Alright, so I got the dust cover laid out. I'm going to start by doing the center of each panel first. So you got your left arm, right arm, your front and the back. Center of each one of those to make a nice diamond shape to get it nice and tight. So let's start that right now. The center first. Alright guys, there it is. Dust cover nice and tight. Showed you how to put it on. Diamond shape, centers, front center, back center. Diamond shape first, then the corners, and then the field. Very easy to do, it's pretty good. I put 3 legs on already. I'm gonna show you the 4th leg real quick, how it's put together. This is a T-nut on a 5/16 stud. That's how it's put together in the sofa. Pulled nice and tight to the wood. Once you turn it down, it pulls this tight into the plywood. Now, I see this all the time with deliveries. Someone comes along, doesn't know any better, pushes the T-nut down into the frame. It falls out like Plinko. You'll hear it all the way down. Now you gotta take the disc cover back off to get to, or find this if you can. You can find them in Home Depot or Lowe's if you need to replace them. 5/16, most of them are 5/16 T-nut. So I usually, to put it back in there, put it in, hold your finger, put the leg back on, tighten it really tight to get those nails back into the plywood, and then take this back off gently. Dust cover back on, and thread it with the weight in your hand. Don't push down, don't put the weight down onto the T-nut. That's why that happened in the first place. All right, so that's that. Make sure all your staples are secure. If you have pets like I do, she goes to get the ball under the sofa. You don't want your baby to cut herself on a staple sticking down, or your actual baby. Or when you go pick up the sofa, those things kind of hurt and bleed forever for some reason. Especially the white upholstery. It's always the case. But guys, if I helped you, If you liked the video and subscribe, I do appreciate all the ones that subscribed before. Thank you all very much. Keeps me going. I appreciate you guys. Have a good one.